Hello everyone, this is Divyan Srivastava, pursuing diploma in textile chemistry at Government Polytechnic Kanpur. And today we will talk about starch finishing. Starch is very important finishing agent, and starch has been used as a stiffener from times immemorial. But the great advantage of starch finishing is that it does not produce transparent film, and it is not fast to wear. And this finishing is temporary as well. This finishing is temporary as well as it obscure and dull the fastness of dyed goods. But the synthetic reagents which are now used include polyvinyl alcohol, polyvinyl chloride, polyvinyl acetate, polymethyl methacrylate, polystyrene, and carboxyl methyl cellulose. And the preparation of synthetic reagents are following. Carboxyl methyl cellulose is prepared by reacting cellulose with concentrated caustic soda solution to obtain soda cellulose, which is then reacted with the sodium monochloroacetate to form carboxyl methyl cellulose. And the polyvinyl chloride is prepared by the polymerization of vinyl chloride, and plasticide with dibutyl benzalate to produces coating resistant to oil, wax, water, and organic solvent. It produces stiffness. Polystyrene is prepared by the polymerization of styrene, and a slightly alkaline dispersion of polystyrene has film-forming and bonding property. It coats the fabric and gives stiff finish. Starch consists of two distinct substances, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose soluble in boiling water, and amylopectin as well as giving a viscous liquid. And it is amylopectin which is responsible for the formation of starch paste. And the viscosity of starch paste may fall due to continuous agitation as well as on keeping the paste for a long period. The stability of starch paste is increased by the addition of formaldehyde, and when zinc chloride is added, it makes a it gives a sticky bed and makes it hygroscopic. Generally, the starch preparations are applied for one of the two reasons: firstly, binding, and second is stiffening. Antiseptics, softener, and weighing material are often used in conjunction with starch paste, which acts as stiffening, which acts as binding agent. And china clay is very commonly used as a filler in finishing operation. It forms a opaque smooth mass with starch and water, and gives a better appearance to fabric. It is almost pure white, and it is one of the most important starch filling agent. Calcium sulfate is sometimes used in place of china clay, but it gives harsh feel. And barium sulfate is used as a weighing material in place of china clay, but it also gives harsh feel. And the emulsion of oil, wax, fat, sulfated tallow, and oil, sulfated fatty ester, fatty alcohol, and ethyl oxide precondensate, and ammonium compounds are often used as a softener. For the preparation of starch in mixing, the required ingredient are weighted, and the starch is made into the paste with water, and then still the paste is diluted with water and heated until gelatinization. Then the other ingredients are added. Firstly weighing material, secondly softener, and last antiseptics. And the object of star finishing is following to cover the gap between warp and weft by a thick paste, and to fill the interstices of cloth, and to improve the appearance and solidity of the fabric, to increase the weight of the fabric. And often back filling machine is used in starch finishing. The semi-cotton bowl is immersed in a through of a thick starch paste, and the fabric is pressurized around the roller. In this manner, the face of the fabric is not impregnated, but the sharp edge is applied to the back side of the fabric. from which the excess is removed by Dr. Blade. And the recipe is starch used as a stiffening agent, and quantity is 100 gram per liter, and china clay weighing material, quantity 50 gram per liter, wetting agent used as a stiffening, and quantity is zero point 0.5 gram per liter, and borax used as a antiseptic, and quantity is around 1 gram per liter, and color 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 and quantity is as required, and the process should be pat dry and calendaring. Thank you.